G'day, Sambo here. Last week I had 2 beehives there. I had 2 beehives there as well. Just sitting on the ground. Cheap bloody pallets. Not even hardwood or anything like that. They've been there for about 18 months. As you can see, the pallets are just deteriorating. Grass growing up around them. That one there, I actually had the hives, they were getting a bit wonky. So I moved them. I picked a rainy afternoon. All the bees were home. It's winter time now, so the hives are fairly light. Even that one there with 2 deeps and a shallow, I was able to carry that one-handed. So what I did, I taped up around the lids. As you can see, I use migratory tops, and they have 2 vents, front and back. So I just taped up the lids because some of the screens are missing on those vents. Moved the hives and put leafy branches across the front to encourage the bees to reorient. That one there on the left, that was when I moved. The double nuke, that was already there. The third one was when I moved. That fourth one was when I moved. And that 5th one. And the 6th one on the end, that's empty. It was about 10:30 in the morning now. I've got activity. That hive on the left. Pollen coming in. So it's all 4 hives I've moved. I've got activity in all of them. And I've probably moved them 10 yards at the most. So the old saying, move your hives 2 feet or 2 miles, it's not always true. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.